We are suspending your program for a public service announcement. This alert is published by the National Agency for Civil Security, intended for anyone currently living in the Nordicostian agglomerations of Bazin-Nade, Homerville and Hylian. This message tells you that a tsunami alert has been triggered by the National Weather Agency. This tsunami is the result of an earthquake of 6.02 on the Richter scale 150 kilometers from the coast of Nordicosta. The tsunami, with a size of 1.32 meters, should reach the municipalities of Bazin, Nade, Jandir, Homerville, Porte Pecha, Hylian and Fort Musale. Safety rule: gain height, take only what is strictly necessary, don't take unnecessary risks, do not attempt to cross flooded areas, dial 15 in case of emergency, cooperated with the emergency services and the gendarmes. The defense forces were notified and the tsunami system was activated. Thank you for listening to this message. May the spirit of the founder be with you.